Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ghostek Tempered Glass Screen Protection install and review for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We are using a dummy device, the perfect tool to review cases with and accessories as well. Huge shout out to Ghostek for giving me the opportunity. Really do appreciate it. Now, all the information to purchase the Tempered Glass Screen Protector from Ghostek will be down below in the description area. So let's get a good look at the packaging here. Tempered glass, unmatched clarity, shatterproof, easy install. You get 2 tempered glass screen protectors. You have a QR code here that you can scan and actually watch the installation from Ghostek. I would suggest doing that if you've never, ever have gone through the process of installing a tempered glass screen protector, and you can follow what I do as well. High aluminum silicate glass, 9H tempered glass hardness, covers entire screen surface, perfect touch sensitivity, anti-smudge coating. You can see how thick the tempered glass screen protector is. It's not going to take up very much space as far as thickness on your display of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Impact and scratch protection, unmatched clarity, 1-year limited warranty. Please read everything, folks. And with that, let's do this. So we have the installation kit here. Here is the other tempered glass screen protector, and we can get a better look at it without it being already in the installation kit. Now, if you ever need the second one, what you're going to do is place this guy within the kit and you're ready to go. Again, very, very simple process. So we're just going to put that back in there so nothing happens to that. We'll put that over here. Got the pull tab right there. See where it says top? That's going to go right up there where your front-facing camera is. So we're going to place that right there, right underneath Godzilla's face. Now on the other side, you can see some instructions here, so let's get a good look at what that says. Put the dust box on the phone. Well, I'm calling it the installation kit. Close the box and pull out the sticker. This plastic strip with the tab here is going to pull out the sticker, and then your tempered glass screen protector from Ghostek is going to adhere to the display of your iPhone 17 Pro Max. But first, we got to do some cleaning. So I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, put on some music for your entertainment, and we'll go through the process, and then we'll see how everything looks. And then we'll test out some cases and make sure that you're not going to have any issues, not just with a Ghostek case, but a couple other cases from other companies as well. That looks great. Looks amazing. Very simple and easy for the install. just find some time during your day where you can relax, enjoy the process, take your time. I mean, if you happen to screw it up, you have one more to utilize, but you really want that as a backup. So just a little bubble there. Easy to work out. Okay, so what I want to do is test a few cases here, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. What we're looking for here is if any of these cases that I'm going to test out cause any issues with the Ghostek tempered glass screen protector as far as lifting, whether that's on the corners, sides, top, bottom. Right here we have the Rinky Alice magnetic 360 ring case here. Pretty cool. Now, this is a dual layer case, but I'm going to just put her in like that to see if the inner TPU causes any problem without actually separating the two pieces of the case here. So as you can see, there's a little bit of space between the lip of the case and the Ghostek tempered glass screen protector. That's not a bubble. That's actually a little scratch on the dummy device of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So no issues all the way around. That is great to see. I also have the Ghostek camera glass lens protectors on the iPhone 17 Pro Max dummy device. Those are working great. Go watch that video, please. It's install and review, and I tested out this specific case to make sure that there was enough space for those little guys there, and there is. So you should have no other issues if you're sporting a different type of case from another company that has full camera protection like that. Thumbs up. Okay. Bam. Put that over here. Actually, put that over there. This right here is the UB Mag case from Subcase. Again, all of these cases have been reviewed, so please go watch those reviews. This case actually has a kickstand surrounding that camera area. You can see those camera glass lens protectors working just fine there. Okay, so the kickstand there, that lip action, not causing any issues there. I know I'm supposed to be just talking about the screen protector, but I might as well show you that as well. And again, no issues whatsoever. No lifting. That is what you want to see. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay. The UAG Monarch Pro titanium case. Actually, you got a little more space between the lip of the Monarch Pro case here from UAG. Look at that. Wow, that is nice. That is really, really nice. All the Ghostek products working here with these cases. Thumbs up. And what we already know, this case review will be up soon. Unless you're watching this video after the fact, you've already enjoyed the review on the Covert 7 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh yeah. No issues, folks. No issues. I always get this question in the comment section when it comes to these type of cases. Am I going to get any fingerprint smudges on? Yeah, you are. You have to carry something like this, or maybe a little guy like this. Give her a nice wipe down. Our hands are naturally dirty, oily. It just happens, folks. It just happens. Just look at that, man. This case is just sick, brutal. Ghostek doing it right. All right. No issues whatsoever. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Really appreciate your time and your support, Ghostek. Huge shout out to you. Before I end the video, for those of you that want a privacy type screen protector, Ghostek has you covered there as well. Let me go ahead and find that really quick. The information for this guy will be down below in the description area as well, along with all the other cases that we tested out in this video. You get 2 of these privacy screens, tempered glass, privacy angle, shatterproof, easy install 2-pack, and you got some more information back there, just like the tempered glass screen protector that's on the iPhone 17 Pro Max here. Again, just read everything. You can't go wrong. If you are one of those that like to have your privacy, this is for you. Okay, the install is exactly the same. You can't go wrong. So thank you, Ghostek, for sending this as well. I'm not going to do the install on this guy. So you just have to follow everything I did in this video or scan the QR code, and you cannot go wrong. Okay, so again, any questions, please ask down below. All the information for all of the items in this video down below in the description area. Ghostek, double thumbs up to all of you. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.